Hello, my name is Junaid Ahmed Fazli. I'm recording this video for demonstration of ninth exercise in System Software and Compiler Lab, which is to use and understand the concept of YACC. YACC is a tool which is a parser generator and stands for yet another compiler. So when we are using this tool, we can parse any input string and we can get the output. The syntax or the format for any program written in YACC tool will be, first of all, we start with declarations, then two percentage symbols. Uh, After that, we write all the rules that we will be using for passing. Next, we will write two more percentage signs. That means the rules are over, and then we have to write all the subroutines for the program. And YACC handles all the ambiguities and conflicts very well, so that we don't have any problem parsing the strings. And for our program, we will be using it in C language, like we'll be passing it using the C language. So we give our the three parts here: declarations, rules, and subroutines. So first of all, we start with our declaration. We include stdio.h. We create two variables I and t, assign both of them as 1. Next, we create a token with the name num. And after these two percentage symbols, that means now we will be writing our rules. So for line, if we get a next line character \n, we go to the next line. Otherwise, after expression, if we get a next line character, we print the expression, go to the next line. This expression will be our answer, whatever we get after the calculation. Next, for expression, if we get a plus symbol, we add the first and the third value. The second value will be the operator plus, and we move on to the next term. And if the same thing for minus operator also, in expression, if we get minus operator, then we subtract the first operand from the third operand, and the second will be our operator. We store it into double dollar symbol. We move on to term. In term, we check for two symbols, that two operators, that means multiplication and division. The same thing, if we find we multiply first and third operand, and if for division we divide first and third operand. Next, from term we go to expo, that is for exponential. So if we encounter this caret symbol, then we will uh, take the power of the first operand to the power of third operand, and then we will get our value. That means if I give 3 caret 4, then we will be computing 3 to the power 4. Then next we move on to factor. In factor, we will be checking this arrangement. That means parenthesis, like an expression enclosed in parenthesis. In that case, for consideration, we will be taking the second operand. The second operand will be our expression. It may be like this may be this consists of multiple operands and operators. Next, we go to num1. In num1, we will be multiplying the first operand to 10 and add the second operand to it. That means we will be dealing with two-digit numbers here. So here we get num. We are moving top to top down. So basically, we start from line, we move on to num, and then we start our calculation. Next, we have to come to the function yylex. From here, we will invoke the root, and from main we will parse it, and ywrap means the once we have finished main, ywrap will indicate that now it's the end of the program. And if we get any error, we return 1. That means if we get 1 in the output, that means we have got some kind of error, then we have to resolve it. So this is how, using all the declarations, rules, and the what is that, subroutines we have defined, we can parse any input string and we can calculate it, we can get the output. So for sample outputs I have to consider three expressions: 23 plus 45, 45 plus 10, and I'm sorry, 45 that should be into 10, and 3 to the power of 5. So here we have got the proper answer. So using YACC, we have successfully uh, passed an input string and we have got the output based on the grammar. Thank you.